Hello everyone and welcome back, and today I'm going to be giving you a review on Clorox Mold and Mildew Remover. So if you're having a mold or a mildew issue in your house, Clorox claims to kill 99.9% of mold and mildew in different areas of your house. And in this video, I'm going to do a test to see does it work. Typically, we use this product every time in our bathroom floors, on the shower doors, or on the shower walls, and it's just been very helpful to us in removing and eliminating mold and mildew in different areas. Now, the product claims that you can also use it on a ceramic tile floor. You can use it to clean the grout out. You can also use it on vine curtains. But it also says that you should be extra careful when you're putting it on metal, when you want to spray it on metal, because it can leave like a rust stain. And if you use it on rubber, plastic, and that type of vine material, you got to spray it and you got to wipe it off real quick. And I just want to do a quick little demonstration just to show you what I mean. So let's follow along. So the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to use Clorox Mold and Mildew. So the first thing you want to do, you want to make sure that you open the windows and that you have a fan going on. So you want to make sure you're well ventilated, because this has a lot of bleach inside of it. And as you can see on my walls here, I have a lot of mildew here. This is an area that I really don't open up the bathroom window so often. So of course it's going to build mildew and mold on there. So first thing you want to do, it comes with a locking mechanism. You want to just go ahead, so you turn it off, but you can go ahead and spray it on. You want to make sure that you're about 6 to 8 inches away, and you want to just spray around the area, 6 to 8 inches away. And depending on how much mildew you have and how thick it is, you're going to let the product sit for a second. And if it was mold on the walls, you would have to let it sit for 10 minutes, and then you would have to wipe it up. So it's very light mildew, and I have a wet cloth. I just want to go ahead and wipe it off. See that right there? It comes right off. Very, very good product here. It's right off. See that? Nice and clean. This is a very, very good product and good at removing mold and mildew. I highly recommend that you take a look at it, use it. It hasn't let me down. And see that right there? Nice, clean wall, removes from mildew. You can also, if you run low on it, you can also take the top off right here. You can just twist it and it comes off. So you can always do like a refill and just put it back on there like this. There we go. And I hope you like this review. It is definitely worth your money, and I will see you in the next video.